24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano sort of is drifting at $167,806,565 in an unpretentious manner. ADA really acquired roughly 1.6% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours. Genuinely further appearance how ADA basically acquired around 1.6% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. Cardano's EMA truly shows in every way that really matters. Descending pattern, or so they especially thought. Cardano essentially shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time essentially clarified some pressing issues. What especially is truly momentary cost expectation for Cardano. Generally is ADA a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth in a for the most part significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the ADA specialized investigation, explicitly let us truly discuss the very current economic situations, or so they by and large thought. Market investigation over the last 24 hours. There explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters. Whole cryptographic money market to $1. 122-112-304-788, or so they basically thought. The really complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $22,757,277,610 in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they in every practical sense thought, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, which basically is genuinely huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52, following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period in a kind of large manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 1.1 and presently exchanging at 46 cents. Kind of additional appearance how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin, as cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in an essentially significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally shows that market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $122-112-304-788, which generally is genuinely huge. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending course for truly present moment, which for the most part shows that these occasions especially show that the market basically is going in a by and large descending bearing for essentially present moment, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a general exceptionally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is very huge. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers basically become sort of more certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano truly is drifting at $167,806,565, which by and large is very critical. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants especially become move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% incredibly. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA basically has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.6% in truly most recent 24 hours, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the ADA specialized examination. In a real sense, let us for the most part discuss the ongoing economic situations in a by and large enormous manner. The really current worth of Cardano in a real sense is floating at 37 cents with the exchanging volume of $167,806,565 USD in the equivalent time period. Pretty further appearance how yet prior to jumping in every practical sense. Profound into the ADA specialized examination, by and large let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations. Or so they basically thought. The really generally speaking market cap for ADA explicitly is $12,810,177,931 USD, while the coin cost changes 0.91% over the course of the week in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a sort of day-to-day time period especially made sense of beneath. So ADA sort of acquired roughly 1.6% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours. Sort of additional appearance how ADA explicitly acquired around 1.6% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours. Or so they sort of thought. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving truly normal and remarkable moving genuinely normal to fundamentally dissect the future development of the Cardano, exhibiting that as of now, a truly broad for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is very critical. EADA, USD moving kind of normal union and dissimilarity pointer in a real sense is demonstrating a truly present moment essentially sell commonly signal as the MACD line fundamentally is moving beneath sort of sign line which in a real sense implies in a real sense bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout. Kind of additional appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano really is floating at $167,806,565, which especially is genuinely huge. While ADA's Williams % R pointer certainly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. An exchange in every practical sense. Signal sort of is by and large conceivable at this reach, which generally shows that Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, or so they certainly thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and sort of is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they essentially thought. The quick opposition for ADA by and large is generally found at 40 cents. And a breakout from this level could for the most part leads towards the in every practical sense next obstruction, which can for the most part be for the most part found at 42 cents, exhibiting how ADA fundamentally acquired roughly 1.6% inside the most recent 24 hours. Essentially further appearance how ADA truly acquired around 1.6% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. On the in every practical sense, other hand, assuming that the bear all things considered, assume command and ADA cost explicitly neglects to especially break out above 40 cents. It could fall back towards the critical help at 35 cents, exhibiting how ADA all things considered acquired roughly 1.6% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, all things considered. Further appearance how ADA especially acquired around 1.6% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. And ADA cost truly is moving in sideways heading. Truly further appearance how support truly is a level at which